This tutorial review will show you how can I stop receiving unknown numbers message and video calls on WhatsApp. So the first thing you can do, go to your WhatsApp settings and tap on privacy, and here you will find these 5 options. Now tap on last seen and online and select nobody or select my contacts. You have to set limits to your last seen and online. The same way, go to your profile picture and select nobody or my contacts. Then go to about and select nobody or my contacts. Then go to groups, select my contacts. Go to status and select my contacts. That's how you will be able to protect your WhatsApp account from unknown numbers. And another way is just block the unknown numbers to send you message and video calls on WhatsApp. So open the contact and tap on the contact name at the top, and here you will find the block option. So tap on block to block the unknown user. So that's how you will be able to stop receiving unknown numbers message and video calls on WhatsApp. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe Tutorial River. See you in the next video.